Do you want to be able to fix Monopoly Go friends not showing up? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because actually yesterday I had the exact same problem myself, but I am able to actually fix this now after trying a couple of things. But basically I think I do know the solution to this problem, so keep watching if you want to be able to fix this issue basically. So the first step is going to be for us to go into our Monopoly Go app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Monopoly Go app right here. So firstly, you need to click on Friends in the bottom right corner, and then you can click where it says Leaderboard in the, as you can see to the right, all the way to the right, it says Leaderboard, right? But if you're not able to view your friend in here, even after you have actually invited them to this game, well then it might be two reasons. One of the reasons is that the friend hasn't yet accepted your invite. It hasn't yet actually clicked on your link to be able to come to your Monopoly Go. And if they haven't done so, then of course you will not be able to view them in here. But if they have done so and still they are not able to view you as their friend, and you're not able to view them as your friend, well then what you need to do is to come to this page right here, click on invite. As you can see, the green symbol in here, so click on invite, then click on the first one in here where it says invite, then click on copy in here, as you can see. Then what you're going to do is to just simply send it to your friend once again. So send that link, and if it still doesn't work, then make sure that your friend does the exact same thing, that they send you the link instead, and you try from your basically from your side in here, because that is exactly what I did. When I sent my link to my friend, then my friend weren't able to actually basically show up for me for some reason. But when he sent me the link, I clicked on it and then everything was fine. So try this two methods right here, and hopefully this will solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.